what's up? Welcome back to our channel. I am ready for love with Jerome and Kanissa, and as you can see, it's only Kanissa on today. All right, okay, so my window is open, so you're gonna hear a lot of noise because it is very hot and I'm not at my window, period. Anyhow, I'm trying to do this video as a little compilation of what I've done so far since I've been here, as you guys know. So I had my doctor's appointment and I set up at the crib, cot, whatever you want to call it. I would say cot. All right, so you're going to see a little footage of me coming home from my first doctor's visit, and in the video I say that I'm going to finish recording when I get home. Yeah, it didn't happen. Hello lovely people. Yes, so I'm gonna really reach the comfortable level to do this yet. So you're just gonna see this view. Okay, so I just finished my first doctor's visit, without my husband. Okay, and it was okay. I mean, it was a doctor's visit. Like, what do you expect to happen? Like, they're not gonna kidnap you. But yeah, so I did it, and I'm going home now. I'm walking through the hospital trying to figure out where I get my bus, because the place where the bus let me off, another so the next pick me up. So yeah, soon come back. Yeah, so I was saying that I'm not fully comfortable recording like with a road for people look for me, so that's why you have that angle, that very weird angle just down here. So but it wasn't a bad appointment. Like, they were very encouraging, and I met my midwives and all of that. So they actually just went through like how far I am, if I know what I'm having yet, because me just come and me do all of my scan them already and whatever. So they went through all of that just to catch up on where we're at and if everybody's on the same page. And then they scheduled me to do some physiotherapy, because boy, I might tell them they did not pain from jump. So yeah, I did have to do some physiotherapy. Yeah, it was online though, because COVID. But it was all right. Nothing to write home about. The next thing they scheduled me for, and if you see me looking, I'm looking at the little clips that I'm going to put inserting. So anyways, they scheduled me again for a gestational diabetes check, which is routine. I went and did it. The something over drink is awful, man, I lie. Why it is so bad? It's like one thick plain syrup, like you just a drink syrup. Like a cup of syrup with a dilute. That's it, and it's disgusting. But yeah, I went and I did that, and then the next clip would be of me setting up the cut. Yeah, so the cut came in the mail, and cause me tell on us said waddleisha could not waddle go to no shop to buy nothing. So like literally all I do is go to the doctor and come home. I don't do nothing else because it just hurts. It hurts. It physically hurts. But anyhow, yeah, me set up the cats. It's a short little clip of me setting up the cats. It wasn't hard. At one point me did I get frustrated because like why this takes so long, and me have the big old belly in front of me and me I try to maneuver the something, and it was just getting on my nerves, but it ended up being okay. So I don't know what me did I say. Yeah, I set up a cot. It was okay, I guess, like setting it up. It wasn't that hard. I followed the instructions and I set it up all by myself. So as I said, this is just a like a short clip, short video for make I don't know some of the year and everything good and whatever, and that, and just to show you guys a few of the things that I've been doing and all of that. Jerome is on his way, of course. Yeah, so I need a little support, so like a moral support. Yeah, so he'll be coming shortly. Anyways, this is the end of the video. It was just a quick video to let you guys know what I've been up to and that we're good and all of that. Stay tuned for what's coming up next, and thank you for watching.